What is up, Pit Boss Nation? It's Mazie with Barbecue by Mazie. We're back here for another episode of Pit Boss Backyard Bosses, and today I'm making this one extra cheesy. That's right, we are making smoked mac and cheese on the Pit Boss Pro series. In this video, we are totally skipping the step of making a cheese sauce because I don't have time for that, and I still want a creamy mac and cheese, so I'm going to show you how to achieve that on your smoker. All you need is a few simple cheesy ingredients, a cast iron pan or a foiled dish, some elbow noodles, and you're off to the races. All right, while we're all here together, why don't you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like this video, give me a comment, why don't you comment something like, oh, she's so cheesy. Let's jump right in and start talking mac and cheese. There's a few simple but essential components to this dish. You're going to want a foil pan or a cast iron pan. Today I'm using my Pit Boss 12-inch cast iron pan. I know she's up for the job. Of course you're going to need noodles. Elbows are my favorite and they are the preferred. You need a pound of elbow noodles cooked al dente. All right, now we are going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. Now we're going to add 2 cups of whole milk. All right, 4 tablespoons of butter, cube it up. Our seasonings, which is 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. And then our cheeses. We have got 2 cups of sharp cheddar, a cup of mozzarella, half cup Parmesan, and 4 ounces of cream cheese. And again, with all these cheeses, you're going to want to grate them yourself because it does help them melt better in the smoker. All right, now we're just going to kind of mix this in. This won't be the only time we mix it in the cook, so don't lose your mind if it's not completely mixed. That is it. That's all we have to do. Now let's go get it on the smoker. Our smoker is set to 250 degrees. We don't want the temperature too low to where it's going to dry out our mac and cheese, so 250 seems to be that sweet spot. Throw everything together in your pan. Give it a little just a little mix. Don't worry, we're going to come back later in the cook and mix it up some more, just enough to like introduce the ingredients to each other. And seriously guys, that's it. All right, you guys, we're just going to leave this on the smoker for about 25 minutes. We're going to come out and stir it at that time. All right, you guys, I'll see you back out here in 25 minutes to check on this mac and cheese. All right, you guys, I just want you to know that this recipe is so easy that you can do it with your eyes closed. All right, so we're at about the halfway mark, and now all we have to do is stir it. Seriously, that's it. Okay, so our cheeses are starting to melt nicely. We're just going to give that a nice mix. Oh, it's so creamy already. All right, I think we got all the noodles mixed in. All right, I just smeared cheese on my face. All right, you guys, it has been on the smoker for an hour and it is all done. We can tell because it's nice and creamy. It's not dried out. Our cheeses are all melted. Just what I like to see. All right, you know I got to taste it before I let you go. And I already know it's going to be delicious because I made it. It's creamy. It's not dried out. And best of all, it was easy. Woo! I'm so fired up right now. Nothing gets me going like an easy smoked recipe that's delicious. And that, my friends, is what this is. It's a no-brainer. All right, you guys, drop me a comment. I love the feedback. Some of you guys are pretty freaking funny. Don't forget to subscribe to the Pit Boss YouTube channel, like this video, and oh yeah, catch me back here on another episode of Pit Boss Backyard Bosses. Peace, love, and cheese.